kamusta po? Ano po
Yes,
ang sa tingin po ninyo nangyari doon?
well, I think this my yung reaction ko is shared by many na parang very frustrating,
Mhm.
no, dahil for example nandun si Yusek Bernardo,
Mhm.
nandun si Secretary Bonoan bumalik from the US, and then for what, no? May mga key questions na dapat tinanong na hindi naman tinanong, hindi na pursue. Nandun si Congressman Leviste, and yet he was not given the full opportunity to talk about the Cabral files, the proponents, and so on and so forth. No, so si Yusek Bernardo was there. No one asked him about his allegations pertaining to the executive secretary, key cabinet officials, and the president himself. No, sinabi niya na sa kanyang affidavit, nag-deliver siya ng kickbacks to executive secretary for the president. No, but how come no one picked up on that? Diba? Ayun.
Okay.
And
Nandun si Secretary Bonoan, no one asked him about, no one really pushed him regarding the matter of yung proponents, no, whether from the executive branch or legislators, and how it relates to the official policy of DPWH when he was secretary.
that's right.
Yung so-called Cabral, nandun yun sa Cabral formula
Oo.
na tinatawag nila. No, pero hindi naman diniscuss.
How about kung yung sagot ni former Secretary Bonoan about yung coordinates na nag-rely lang siya kay the late Yusek Cabral, parang dead men tell no tales ang dating eh.
Yun na nga. Well, sadly, I was kind of expecting that to happen, and it did happen that Secretary Bonoan would pin everything on the late Yusek Cabral. Parang ganun na nga ang direksyon ng kanyang, line of defense. Diba sabi niya, well, I just have general, he just oversees work, but actually he has his undersecretary.
Yeah.
So dinidiinan niya ang hindi na makakapag-depensa sa sarili na si Yusek Cabral.
Yeah, oo. Well, having said that, Kong, do you think that this investigation by the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee is still necessary?
Well, judging from what happened yesterday, parang medyo, I'm not so optimistic regarding where this is going. However, sad to say, ito lang yung public venue na public platform for airing out these issues and this investigation. Kaya nga importante itong impeachment proceedings if ever. Kasi this will provide the platform, and this time naka-address na mismo sa pinakamataas na opisyal